finish taking a bath. Ayan, kakatapos ko lang maligo guys. And I'm going to put a lotions guys inside my ano. Ayan, maglo-lotion muna tayo guys kasi ayan, ako po ay aalis. Kaya kailangan natin mag-lotion. Ayan. Ganda ng ating lotion guys. Very smooth yung ating lotion. I really love it. Ayan, isa to sa aking lotion na ginagamit guys na napakaganda. Napakaganda nito guys. Very smooth. Ayan, isa to sa nagpapaputi sa akin guys. Ayan. Lagyan natin ng ano dito guys para pumuti. Pumuti yung ating ano. Dito naman tayo sa kabila guys. Ayan. Aking ginagamit na lotion para kuminis yung ating ano. Ayan. Ito guys, yung aking ginagamit. O diba? Very smooth guys. Very smooth. Ayan. Tsaka ito lang din yung vitamins ko guys na ginagamit. Pangalan ng vitamins. O diba? Ayan. Dahil aalis na naman ako ngayon guys. Ayan. Tayo po ay mag-ayos. Mag-ayos muna ako guys. Ayan. Smells sagad. Ayan. Ang bango ng ating lotion guys. I really love the smell. I really love the smell guys. And I need to, kailangan kong mag-lipstick guys. The red lipstick. Ito yung gagamitin kong lipstick ngayon guys. Ayan. The red color. The red color siya guys. Asan yung ating lipstick? Where is my lipstick? Ayan, hindi ko siya mahanap guys. Where is my lipstick? Hanapin ko muna siya dito sa aking bag guys. Ayan. And meron tayong ano dito guys. Meron tayong shade. Pang malakasang shade guys. Kasi yan mainit yung ating panahon. Kailangan natin mag-shade. Kailangan natin mag-shade guys. So, ayan. My shade for today guys. Ito yung aking gagamiting shade. O diba? Ang ganda. Pack na pack yan. Ayan. And this is my lipstick for today. Ayan, ito yung gagamitin kong lipstick ngayon guys. Charan! The red color. Ayan, ito na lang yung natira ko sa aking lipstick guys. I need to buy a new one. Ayan. Ating red lipstick. So, ayan guys. My simple attire for today. Ayan. O, diba? Ang ganda niya guys. The red lipstick. So, I really love it. Ayan, ito yung aking outfit for today. My fashion for today guys. It's very simple. Ayan, ito lang guys. Oh. Pack na yan. Ayan, my simple beauty. Ayan, o, diba guys? Pack na pack yung aking shade guys. Ayan, dahil mainit ang panahon. Ayan. Ayan, ito yung aking gagamiting shade ngayon. Ayan, for only 150 pesos. So, diba? Ang mura lang, guys, no? Ayan. So, that's it for today, guys. Bye, everyone. I hope you like my videos, guys. Please do subscribe my channel. Watch my videos. Bye, everyone.